Hello children, myself Mrs. Dimple Kundar from Seth Vidya Mandir English High School CBSE will start reteaching maths for standard 6 lesson number 9 data handling. Let's see data handling reteaching points to be noted. Let's just revise a few parts of data handling. Okay, the important points to be noted. What is a data? A data is a collection of numbers gathered to give some information. Okay, so whatever information it is given through the data, and there are three types of data. One is the pictograph, one is the tally marks, and the last one is the bar graph. So we have learnt about all these three. So we will just get a quick look at all these. So first a data, you know that. Now next we go on to pictograph. A pictograph represents data through pictures of objects, and it helps to answer the questions of the data at a glance. Means just at a glance means just looking at the pictograph you can answer the questions required. So it is a data through pictures. Just let's revise one explanation of the pictograph. The following pictograph shows the number of absentees in a class of 30 students during the previous week. So in 1 week, the children were absent. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday are the days. Okay. And here the number of absentees and the pictures are given of those children. And here there is a scale which shows that this one figure shows one absentee. So now if I look at it, on Monday there are 5 pictures. So that means 5 children were absent. Tuesday 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 children were absent. Wednesday 2. So 2 children were absent. Thursday no pictures. That means all were present. Friday 1 child was absent. And Saturday 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 students were absent. So like how I had explained, pictograph represents data through pictures of objects. So the pictures are there, and plus it helps the questions at a glance. So now suppose if I ask questions, on which day were the maximum means most number of students absent. So instead of counting, I can just see that the maximum pictures are on Saturday. So which day were the maximum number of children absent? On Saturday. Okay. Now which day had full attendance means when were all present? See here there is no absency. So all were present on a Thursday. Okay. And the last, what was the total number of absentees in the week? So now this is a full week. How many children were absent? So we can just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 were absent throughout the week. So pictograph is done this way. Learned about the pictograph representing 1. Now let's see this pictograph representing 100 watches. Okay. Now following is a pictograph of number of wristwatches manufactured by a factory again in a particular week. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. The number of wristwatches are manufactured, but here one example shows 100 watches. So if I say for Monday 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, that means 600 watches. Tuesday 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and this is a half watch. So half of 100 is 50. So this shows 750 watches. Okay. Now again one on Wednesday 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and a half. So 650. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 into 100. 800. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 into 100. 600. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and a half. So 550. So this is the way we can read the data. Next, if we ask question, on which day was the least number of wristwatches manufactured? Least means less. It was on a Saturday. So we can write Saturday. Okay. On which day were the maximum number? The most wristwatches? Yes, here 800. So that is on a Thursday. Okay. Find out the approximate number of wristwatches manufactured in the particular week. So we have to do the total. So we can add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. That means 3,800 full watches. And again there are plus 100, half, 50, 50 becomes 100, and 50 plus 150, so it becomes 3,950 watches, or we can do the total of these numbers to get the answer. Similarly, drawing a pictograph is also very easy. You can take a symbol using one of the examples, or represent many symbols, and which, and instead of drawing we can use simple symbols also, and you can represent any symbol with the number of required by using the scale. So pictograph is a very easy part of data handling.